This is the secret, isn't it? Now I'm going to change the look up and I'm going to show you how to do a quick low ponytail, which I think is perfect for date night. So I'm just softly brushing that through. We don't want it to be too tight. And I'm just going to do a loose ponytail just down here. A little top tip, if you get a small strand of hair and you wrap it round your ponytail, it looks a little bit more stylish. All you need to do is use a small grip and just place it under the hair. And that is how easy it is to do a low pony. It only takes a matter of minutes and it's perfect for any occasion.